Hey guys, hope you are doing good. My name is Arman and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you about the Byanjan Sandhi. So guys, yesterday I discussed with you about the Swara Sandhi and the formulas of the Swara Sandhi. And today I am going to discuss with you about the Byanjan Sandhi and its formulas and its significance. Okay, so guys, if you haven't watched that previous video regarding the Swara Sandhi, then please first you watch that video and watch this video. Okay, if you don't watch that video, the part 1, okay, the part 1 of this video, then it will be incomplete. Okay, so guys, without any further delay, let's start today's video. Okay, so guys, the topic is Byanjan Sandhi. Okay, Byanjan Sandhi. So what is Byanjan Sandhi? So in the plain meaning, Byanjan Sandhi means, like yesterday we discussed about the Swara Sandhi. Swara Sandhi means what? Like Swara Barnor logot Swara Barnor jitu milan ghote take Swara Sandhi bole, right? So similarly in the case of the Byanjan Sandhi also, Byanjan Barnor logot another Byanjan Barnor conjunct hoy ya fir Byanjan Barnor logot Swara Barno ba Swara Barnor logot Byanjan Barno conjunct hoy, like whatever the word is created, that will be called Byanjan Sandhi. Okay, Sandhi means compilation. Okay, very simple. So I'm going to give you some examples and formulas of the Sandhi. So please write it down, whatever the formulas that I am giving. Okay, and watch this video very carefully, because in comparison to the Swara Sandhi, Byanjan Sandhi is little difficult. Okay, so I'll try my best to make it as simple as possible. Right. So guys, so the first formula is that Swara Barnor logot Swara Barnor pasot দ্বিতীয় স্ব থাকিলে Swara Barnor pasot দ্বিতীয় স্ব থাকিলে দ্বিতীয় স্বৰ ঠাইত স্বচ্ছ হয়. Okay, so guys, this is the first formula. Okay, Swara Barnor logot Swara Barnor pasot দ্বিতীয় স্ব থাকিলে. Okay, Swara Barna means what? Any Swarya Sarya Horsei Dirghai, like we have total 11 vowels. Okay, like so any, like after the vowels, any of the vowels, okay, after the vowels, if there is a presence of Ditya Sa, okay, Ditya Sa, Pratham Sa, Ditya Sa, Byanjan Barna. Okay, so if there is a presence of Ditya Sa, then there will be in the result, in the end result, the Ditya Sa will be replaced with Saisa Sa. Okay, this is Pratham Sa and Ditya Sa, like it is the combination of Pratham Sa and Ditya Sa. Okay, so now let's look at the example. Okay, the example is Anu plus Sed. Okay, so here guys, so here in this case, okay, Anu, nu, this is Ukar. Okay, Ukar, U means there is a presence of U, that is a Swara Barna. Okay, and this is Ditya Sa, this Ditya Sa. Okay, so now the Ditya Sa will be replaced by Sasa Sa. Okay, now the answer will be Anu Sed. Anu Sed. Clear? Okay, so guys, this is the first formula. Okay, now we're gonna learn the second formula. Okay, so guys, this is the second formula. Okay, this is the second formula. The formula is saying that Borgor Pratham Barnor pasot Swara Barnor Borgor Tritiyo Chaturtho aru Pancham Barno অথবা 29 জ ব হ থাকিলে প্রথম বর্ণৰ ঠাইত সেই বৰ্গৰ তৃতীয় বৰ্ণ হয়. Okay, sounds little difficult, right? Let me simplify it. So borgo, okay, first of all borgo. So borgo means what? So borgo means like in the Byanjan Barna we get ko kha ga gha nga pratham sa ditya sa, like this, right? So the ko kha ga, right, pratham sa ditya sa, kind of pratham sa ditya sa bargya, all this. Okay, so now the ko barga, this is the ko barga, this is the pratham sa barga, then comes the ta barga. Okay, ta barga. So this, the line, okay, the lineage of the Byanjan Barna consonants are called the barga. Okay, in Assamese, that like the lines of the every lines, the initial line, the initial word, initial letter of the line consonant called the borga. Okay, So this is the क वर्ग line and this is the प्रथम स वर्ग, this is the ट वर्ग line. So similarly all that, okay. And वर्गर प्रथम वर्णर पाছত, that means वर्गर प्रथम वर्ण, okay, प्रथम वर्णर पाছত, okay, after क or after प्रथम स or after मूर्धन्य ट, okay, पाছত स्वर वर्ण. After this, if there is a presence of the vowels, वर्गर तृतीय चतुर्थ और पंचम, okay, वर्गर तृतीय चतुर्थ और पंचम, that means तृतीय चतुर्थ और पंचम, अथवा 29 ज व ह থাকিলে, I mean if there is a presence of 29 ज व ह इत्यादि आदि থাকিলে, okay, then वर्गर ठाईत मतलब प्रथम वर्गर ठाईत সেই वर्गर तृतीय वर्णটো হ'ব, okay. So the third वर्णটো হ'ব, I mean like first alphabet will be replaced by the third alphabet, okay. That's what it is saying, okay. Now let's look at the example. After the example it will be easy. So example is dik juk anta, okay. So here example, so this is the first word, first letter, I mean the first word, sorry, not this is the first alphabet, that is the क वर्ग. It is starting from the क वर्ग, that means वर्ग प्रथम वर्णर पाছত, that means after the क वर्ग there is a पाছত स्वर वर्ण, this is स्वर a, that is a स्वर वर्ण. Then it will be replaced by the third, I mean here it is written तृतीय वर्ण है, okay. So the क will be replaced by the third alphabet of the क वर्ग, okay. So now it will be दिगंत, दिगंत, दिगंत. I hope it is clear to you now, okay. So this is the formula. Now we will see the next formula. So guys, this is the third formula. The third formula is saying that प्रथम स and द्वितीय स, प्रथम स और द्वितीय स पाছত থাকিলে, द्वितीय स पाছত থাকিলে, if the, you know, suppose if the second word is प्रथम स or द्वितीय स, it means that, okay, if the second word is प्रथम स or द्वितीय स, यार अग्रवर्ती, that means यार आगर टू, I mean it's before, that is if there is a presence of this, I mean this is the bejantar or ta or the or the, okay. If there is a this or this, okay, if there is a this or presence of this or this, then it will be both the things will be, either of the things will be replaced by प्रथम स, okay. So now we'll take with the example, it will be easy. Kharat, kharat plus chandra, okay. Now see, so now the kharat, there is a presence of this, okay, and this is the one of this word, okay, one of the letter pratham sa or ditya sa, this is the presence of pratham sa, okay. So now it will be replaced by this will be replaced by this, okay, I mean replaced by this, okay. Dantya do or bejantar will be replaced by pratham sa, okay. So now the result will be khara sa sa, okay, this sa and this sa, okay, khara sandra. So both the sa, pratham sa, and this is pratham sa and sandra, okay. Now I think it is clear now that this is the ta is replaced by pratham sa, okay. So now the and sa plus sa is sa, okay. So khara sandra, okay. Now another example, ud plus saron, okay. Now so there is a this, okay, there is a presence of this, okay. Now it will be, if we, you know, if we conjoin these two words, then it will be usaron, okay, ucharan. Clear? So this is this ta is replaced by pratham sa and sa usaran, okay. So this is the formula. I hope it is clear to you now. So now the next formula, the number 4 formula is that bargya ja or jha pasat thakile, that means if there is a bargya ja or jha pasat thakile yar agravarti ta, if there is a ta or the, okay, it will be replaced by bargya ja, okay. Very simple. So now example, hot plus jan, okay. So now this is ta, okay, this is the ta is will be, now it will be replaced by bargyaja. Okay, when bargyaja plus bargyaja is plus, then it will be khodjan. Okay, jajajana. Okay, very clear, very simple. Okay, so now the next example, sorry, next formula. This is the fifth formula. It is saying that to the bejantor ba dantyador pasot jodi to thakile. Okay, I mean if after this either of these two alphabet are present and like before mudhiniya to, then it will be, I mean then bejantor or the dantyador will be replaced by mudhiniya to. Okay, very simple. So example, with the example it will be easy, that brihot plus brihot means big. Okay, now okay, brihot jog tankar. Okay, brihot jog tankar. So if we combine this word, then it will be, now this ta will be replaced by ta. Okay, so there is after the bejantor plus, if there is a mudhiniya ta thakile. Okay, so there is a mudhiniya ta. So now if we combine this word, then this it will be replaced by this. Okay, so now when ta plus, then it will be like this. Okay, briha brihatankar. Okay, very simple. Okay, now it was replaced by this ta and ta. Okay, then next okay, so if after bejantor or dantyador pasot bejantor or dantyador pasot mudhiniya do thakile, I mean do thakile bejantor ba dantyador thait mudhiniya do hoy. Okay, if after, I mean after this, I mean like if after this, if there is a presence of this, okay, if there is a presence of this alphabet, then this either of this word, either of this alphabet will be replaced by this. Okay, it will be replaced by this. Now with the example it will be easy, that example ud plus din. Okay, okay, ud plus din. Now if we combine this word, then it will be uddin. Okay, so this will be, and this bejantor will be replaced by this. Okay, now da, now I will write it down. Uddin. Okay, very simple. Okay, so now we'll see the next one. So it is very simply saying that law pasot thakile, that means law pasat thakile. Okay, the law, there is a presence of law after the next, I mean the second word is law, starting with law, then here agravarti, that means its former one, so either the or either no. Okay, then either of this word will be replaced by this, I mean either of this alphabet will be replaced by law only. Okay, now with the example, okay, now see, there is a presence of the, and after there is a law, right? So now it will be replaced by this, it will be replaced by this. Okay, so now it will be la ullekh. Okay, very simple, ullekh. Just remember the few formulas. Okay, if you remember these formulas, then you can solve all the problems that comes to the exam from this topic. Okay, I am hoping that I am able to make you understand about this topic, guys. I am putting my all the effort, whatever the possible thing that I can do to make you understand about this thing. If you have still any queries, doubt, you can comment down below, or you can mail me. My email ID is given in the description box. Okay, so guys, the number 8 formula is that this 8 number formula is saying that pasot ho thakile, that means if there is a ho, okay, pasot ho thakile agot thoka bejantor, agot thoka bejantor thait dantyado, so it will be replaced by this, and hor thait dha hoy, it will be replaced by this. Okay, Very simple. It will be replaced by dantya dha. So bejantar will be replaced by the and ha will be replaced by dha. Okay, with the example it will be easy that tot plus hit. Okay, so if we combine this word, both the words, then it will be, so now it will be replaced by the. Okay, the plus ha will be replaced by the. Okay, so when the and the, like if you combine this, the plus the, it will be daidat dha. Okay, it will be daidat dha. So now it will be ta dhita, tadhit. Okay, very simple. Okay, now we'll see the next formula. Number 9 formula is that bejantar or dantyadar pasat kha thakile. That means bejantar or dantyadar pasat talbia kha thakile. Okay, thakile duyokhon mili it will be saisasa. Okay, it will be saisasa. Okay, now the example ud plus shrinkhal. Okay, so now ud plus shrinkhal. So this is talbia kho, and this is d. So either of the both of these will be replaced by saisasa. Okay, now it will be ud shrinkhal. Usrinkhal. Okay, this is a rekar. Okay, this rekar usrinkhal. So very simple, this either of this word either of the alphabet is replaced by saisasa. Okay, now ud plus shrinkhal, it will be usrinkhal. Okay, this and this, both of this alphabet is replaced by saisasa. Okay, now the next formula. So guys, here it is saying that borgor pratham bornar pasat, that means borgor pratham bornar pasat, borgor, this is ka borga, kha borga, ga borga, like this. Okay, borgor pratham bornar pasat. So after the ka borga, okay, pasat agor pratham bornar, agor pratham bornar thait, I mean in place of these. Okay, borgor parsam borna hoy, pansam borna hoy. Okay, so it will be replaced by nga. Okay, the pansam borna is nga, anga. Okay, so with the example, okay, it will be easy. So it is bak plus moy, bak plus moy. Okay, so now there is only one thing, that is ka. So ka, it is starting, it is the pratham borna, right? Pratham borna of the Vyanjan borna. So ka borgor pratham borna to hoise ka. Okay, so now the ka, it will be, ka will be replaced by pansam borna. Okay, pansam borna, the pansam borna of the ka borga is anga, anga. Okay, so now if we combine this word, then this ka will be replaced by nga. Okay, now it will be answer will be bangmoy. Okay, ngoy, ngo and mo, when we combine this, it will be mo, ngoy mang mo. Okay, this is ngo and mo, ngoy moy, moy and the bangmoy. Okay, very simple. So now we will see the next formula. Okay, very simple. Pratham sa ba borgya jor pasat dantya na thakile, that means pratham sa or borgya jor pasat dantya na thakile. So it either of this word, either of this alphabet will be replaced by this. Okay, new. So the example is jo plus no. Okay, jo plus no. So there is a presence of this and there is a presence of this. When these two are combined, then it will be jogya. Okay, neo. Okay, so now it will be jogya. Okay, very simple. This is neokar. Okay, no and noe plus neo it will be jagya. Okay, gya. No plus neo will be gya. Okay, so now the jagya. No plus neo, it will be gya. Okay, very simple. Now we'll see the next formula. So this is the formula. Okay, 12th number formula is that mudhini akhor pasot thoka dantia to ba dantia tho thakile dantia to or hide mudhini to aru dantia thor height mudhini tho hoy. Okay, the example is that like when there is a presence of mudhini kho, then it mudhini khor pisot jodi dantia to ba dantia tho ase, then if there is a dantia to, then it will be mudhini to, and if there is a dantia tho, it will be mudhini tho. Simple. So example is that like pu kha, so this is kha. Okay, this is kha and plus ta. Okay, there is a ta, then it will be ta will be replaced by ta, then it will be pusta. Okay, here is ta, when ta and the mudhini kha is plus, then it will be khaitasta. Okay, so now we'll see the next formula. So guys, number 13 formula is that like pasot thoka ko borgo ba so borgo ba to borgor borno thakile agot thoka mor thait pasor bornor borgor ponchom borno jog hoy. Okay, so it is very simple like that. If pasot thoka mo, that means I mean pasot thoka ko borgo, so after the mo, if there is a ko borgo, okay, ko borgo or pratham sa borgo or dantya sa borgo. Okay, either of these borgors mane initial letter jodi thake, okay, borna thake, I mean if any of the word from this borna, any of the alphabet from this borna, and this borna, if there is a presence, then it will be the whatever the borna it may present in there, that will be replaced by their fifth letter. Okay, fifth letter of that borna. Okay, so if the fifth letter is that anga, okay, fifth alphabet is anga, so pratham sar niya and dantyata dantyana. Okay, so this is the fifth alphabet of this borgo. Okay, ka borgo anga pratham sa niya ta na. Okay, so if there is like this, then it will be like if there is a after the mo, if there is pratham ka borgo, sa borgo or ta borgo, then that will be replaced by either of it. Okay, either of it. Now with the example hom plus kor. Okay, now here, so mo, there is a mo and plus ka borgo. Now it will be replaced by nga. Okay, I mean mo will be replaced by anga. So example hong ko hongkor. Clear? Now we'll see the next one, 13. It is saying that 29 yo aru usma bornor pasot thakile mor thait ang hoy, I mean this is unsar hoy. Okay, so now the example usma borna buli kole ami ki bujim like talbya kho mudhini kho dantya kho, so those are called usma borna. Usma means what? Usma means garam. Okay, usma. Okay, when we are pronouncing talbya kho, then warm air is coming out of our mouth. Talbya kho, mudhini kho, dantya kho, we can feel here. Okay, we can feel here. So this is the okay, so 29 yo aru usma bornor pasot thakile mor thait. Okay, if there is a mo plus usma borna 29 yo or any one of the usma borna, so usma bornas are like talbya kho, mudhini kho, dantya kho, all this. Okay, so if there is a more pisot after mo there is 29 yo or usma borna, then it will be replaced by ang. Okay, so now example hom plus jom. Okay, it's not 29 yo, okay, it's 29 jo. So here, so more pisot 29 jo ya fir usma borna thakile. Okay, there is a 29 jo, there is a presence of 29 jo and this is mo. So now mo and it will be replaced by ang. Okay, ma will be replaced by ang. So now it will be hongjam. Simple. Okay, now we'll see the next formula. So here it is saying that hom aru pori upokhorgor pasot kri dhatur pora utpanno hua shobdo thakile duiru majole dantiya khor agamon hoy. Okay, so it means that like hom, okay, it means that hom or pori, okay, pori, these are the upokhorgo. Okay, pasot, I mean pasot, if there is a kri dhatur utpanno hua shobdo thakile, okay, if there is a presence of rikar, then it will be dantiya kho will be used in between those words to connect those words. Okay, so for example, hom plus krit. Okay, now when we combine this word hom plus krit, then the formula says that it will be replaced, so there will be the kha will be used, the kha will come to combine, the kha will come in between this word to combine them. Okay, so now it will be ma will be replaced by hong aru it kri. Okay, the kri and a ka and kri, ri and kha, there will be kha will come. Okay, the kha, this is kha and this ka and rikar and ta. Okay, hongskrit. Very simple. Ma is replaced by ang and kri is kri and plus kha, it is hongskrit, haikaska. Okay, very simple. Now the last formula we'll see. Okay, it is very simple. The 16 number formula, the last formula of Benjan Khondi is that agot thoka ut upokhorgo. Okay, ut, this is ut means ut. Okay, and upokhorgo thakile pasot thoka stha, this is stha or stanov. Now if there is a, like after ut, if there is a stha or stanov, then the kha will be replaced. Here where is the kha? This is the kha. Okay, this is kha. This it will be loop pi, that means it will be vanished. So now for example, ud plus sthan. Okay, so this is hoithas tha. Okay, this is not ha, this is dantiya kha plus dantiya tha equals to hoithas tha. Okay, clear? Now when these two are combined, okay, these two are combined, then it will be ta and tha. This is ta and tha. This kha will be gone, the kha will be gone, then this is a ta, right? Ta and tha. When ta and ta plus tha is plus, then it will be thaitat tha. Okay, okay, so now it will be utthan. This is ta, okay, then this is tha, utthan. Very clear? All right, so guys, this is the formula of the Benjan Barno. Yesterday we discussed about the Swara Barno, and this is the Benjan Barno. Now in my next video I will discuss with you about the Bikhorga Khandi. Okay, Bikhorga Khandi. Swara Khandi is done today, Benjan Khandi is done. Now next class will be on Bikhorga Khandi. I hope you have found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comment section if it did help you. Then if you have any queries, question, you can comment down below, or you can mail me. Please find the mail in my description box. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Bye bye.